Alright guys, today we're going to do a really simple sketch and paint. It lets us kind of play with creating a design across our paper here, and it gets to let us play with a little bit more color and making things lighter and darker. And so what we'll do is use really simple shapes. I'm going to use hexagons, diamonds, and triangles, and to get a really clean line so we're all happy with our sketch, you can use something like a ruler, but I'm using the edge of a book here today. So even if you don't have a ruler at home, you can still get a clean line using something like this. You see my book today is How to Catch a Wild Viscount by Tessa Dare. That book is available on Kentucky Libraries Unbound using your Libby or Overdrive app, so feel free to check that out if you're interested. But we'll go ahead and get started. I am using pencil first. There will be no ink pen today. Last week we did ink and wash. This time we're just going to use a sketch pencil and some paint. And remember, you do have an eraser either on the end or grab an eraser from somewhere, so you can clean up your lines as you're going. My lines are going to be a little bit darker than what you'll want to do. You want to do your lines a little bit lighter, but I'm making mine a little darker so that you can see what I'm doing. Alright, let's get started. Alright guys, so we have our sketch in. We are ready to start working with paint. You can see in my swatches where I've been kind of working with some different colors. And it's always good to do a swatch before you start painting and mixing colors up. It really helps you to remember what colors you want to work with, so that when you test them before you go to page, you can kind of remember what you thought would be nice. I'm not sure if I'll work with all the colors I've tested today. We'll kind of see how we feel. A lot of artists start at the left corner of their page and work across. Some pop in colors as they feel like it. Some work in one color and then clean their brush completely off and then work with another color. It's all up to you. Today I got the inspiration for this from the book Everyday Watercolor by Jenna Rainey, that's available in the Kentucky Library's Unbound through our digital branch at cc-pl.org. So check that ebook out. Check out some of the other watercolor ebooks that we've ordered to help you learn how to paint and have fun during this time. So we're going to jump right into it, play with some colors. You can see on my swatch that I have some darker shades that are straight from my palette, very little water on my brush as I'm working. And then some of them are lighter shades where I've put a lot more water on my brush to get some pastels and lighter colors. So we're going to work with shading today. We're going to work on just kind of getting some paint on page and have fun with it. So I'm going to jump into it, and I won't be talking anymore after this point. Hopefully you've enjoyed everything you've learned today.